Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing kind of a get it all done. I needed to change out my calendar for April. Can't believe we're already in April. I know I say this absolutely every single month when I do one of these videos, but it's just crazy. In April, May, I'm sure it's the same for a lot of us, especially if you're a mom. Sports season really picks up. So like Austin's in baseball and lacrosse and Layton's in dance and gymnastics and all of that. So it's like pictures and Brennan's in lacrosse and it's just driver's licenses and driving and all the fun mom stuff, but it's definitely like a super, super busy season for us. So I need to make sure I am on it and don't miss any of the kids' activities. So right now I only have Brendan's lacrosse schedule and then the normal things that the kids have. So as the month goes on, and we figure out a little bit more of like game times for Austin. We know the dates kind of, but it's subject to change. So until I get a schedule, I will not be filling in those activities. But we have laundry to fold, we have bathrooms to tidy, we just have general picking up and tidying to do. So we are going to get that done today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new, I do lots of cleaning, organizing, and motherhood videos. So make sure you subscribe and let's get started.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
It is actually a half day for the kids, so they'll be home in like 20 minutes. So I have this box of brownie mix, and they have a few friends coming over for a play date after school. So I figured, let's see, what's the temperature these need to cook on? 350. I would, what is happening? 350. I would make them some brownies. So we're gonna do that, get that started, and then we're gonna go fold the laundry, and then like I said, I have a little bit of like tidying up to do around here. We're gonna clean the appliances because they're looking a little messy. But first things first, we're going to get these brownies in the oven.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy. simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you'll be the death of me, still you're medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do?
Always one of the messiest spots in my entire house. It's actually not bad, but look at this mirror. It's so gross. Look at that. Gross.
You'll be the death of me, still you're my medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light a fire just to put me out again. Yeah, I need it. Weak for you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do?
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start.
All right, laundry is done. Kids are home. I got like some snacks and stuff like that for them. Now I have 1 minute left on the timer for the brownies, And then I made brownies. Yay! And then I am going to clean the appliances while they were home. Say hi.
Hello.
Did you have a good day at school?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you so cute? While they were sitting here talking to each other about their day, I cleaned the back window and I cleaned the mirror in the dining room, and Austin cleaned the mirror by the front door. So we are going to clean the appliances, and then I think that's about it. It's not like a true cleaning video, just like some random things that I had to get done and changing out our calendar. So, yes. What? You're on the second half, Alexia? Little smarty pants. She is so smart. It's crazy. Where'd you get your brains from?
You and Daddy?
Me and Daddy. Love it.
School?
And school, yes. For sure. You're just naturally a smart kid. Brownies are ready. Brownies are ready.
Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before.
All right, so that is it for this video. Our April kind of get it all done, random to-do list stuff. But tomorrow I'm gonna be filming a big grocery haul. I'm also gonna be showing you 5 dinners that you can buy. Thank you. You're the best. We washed our kitchen rug, so Leighton's putting it down for me. But I'm also gonna be sharing 5 dinners that you can buy for $50. So a budget of $50 will get you 5 dinners, especially with the way everything is. Huh? No, we're not gonna do Lexia because our friends are gonna be here in a few minutes. Why don't you finish your snack though? The stain didn't come out. Man. So, especially with, sorry, I totally lost my train of thought. So the video that's gonna be coming out next week, like the end of next week, probably next weekend, is going to be 5 dinners for $50. So everything that you need to make 5 dinners for $50. The cost of everything has gone up so much, it's wild. So I thought this might be helpful for everybody, helpful for me to see if I can do it and all that. I made my grocery list and kind of put some things in the app to see if it, and just kind of playing around with a little bit, but we will see. But make sure you guys are subscribed and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.